The idea of this video is to find the best option for you right now. So watch this video till the very end. You will not make any mistakes after watching our comparison.
After using both Anchor, now known as Anchor and Buzzsprout, for about 6 months each as a beginner podcaster, the differences are actually pretty clear once you start thinking beyond just uploading episodes. Starting with Spotify for podcasters, the biggest advantage is obvious. It's completely free and extremely easy to get started. You can record, upload, and publish a podcast in minutes, and the Spotify integration gives you instant distribution without much setup. For beginners, that no barrier to entry experience is huge. But after a few months, the limitations become noticeable. The analytics are quite basic. You don't get deep control over your RSS feed, and the overall platform feels more like a starter tool than something built for long-term podcast growth. Monetization options exist, but they're limited and heavily tied to Spotify's ecosystem. Now, Buzzsprout feels like a step up in almost every area, especially if you're thinking long-term. The interface is cleaner and more structured, and uploading episodes feels more professional. The analytics are significantly better, giving you a clearer idea of how episodes perform across platforms, not just one ecosystem. Features like audio optimization and automatic distribution make the workflow smoother. The downside is simple: it's paid, and can be a deal breaker for absolute beginners who are just testing ideas. After using both, I'd say Spotify for podcasters is best if you want zero cost and the fastest possible way to launch your first podcast. Buzzsprout is better if you already know you're serious and want cleaner branding, better data, and more control over your show. The key thing to pay attention to is ownership and scalability. If you ever plan to move beyond hobby-level podcasting, Buzzsprout gives you a much stronger foundation. If not, Spotify for podcasters will get you started with almost no friction.